Hey everybody, it's Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, middle of September, checking out an absolutely awesome 1966 Ford Bronco. These are rare. This is the first year Bronco, very hard to find them, original, uncut, and this is one of the earliest 289s. This one has a build date sometime in March, so it was one of the first 289 motors put in these Broncos, which is a big help. Most of these you'll see are the 6 cylinders. This is done in the springtime yellow color. This was a frame-off rotisserie restoration done in 2010. This Bronco started its life in Phoenix, Arizona, then went up to Montana, where it's believed to have spent most of its lifetime. Was restored by a company called Big Sky Broncos, done in 2010, and just phenomenal condition. And so many things about this 66 Bronco were kept original. NOS parts were located wherever possible, and it really shows the detail of the restoration. One of the features on these Broncos on the 66 is they have unique hubcaps. These are 1 year only 66 hubcaps, restored to perfection. Look brand new. A set of these hubcaps in this condition are going to cost you anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500. Body is gorgeous. Paint is beautiful. Correct 66 original bumpers, which is a straight up and down bumper here. The after 66 or 67, I believe, they started to curve them at an angle there. So again, another unique feature to the 66 Broncos. Again, beautiful paint and body. They reset the odometer to 0 after the restoration, and this one has got 2,600 miles on it since that restoration was completed. Hardtop is as nice as the body. So you've got the original 289 was completely rebuilt, and really all of the drivetrain was gone through and completely redone. Check out my listing and you'll read all of the details of the restoration. Previous owner here in Tennessee, or locally here, close to here in Tennessee, had owned it for 3 years. He added a trailer hitch. He had a vintage trailer that he used to pull with this every now and then and go camping out in Tennessee. And this Bronco is featured in a Tennessee visitor's guide. Again, interior, lots of original features on these 66s that are unique to 66. The gray or silver door panels. This style armrest is unique to 66, as are the door handles. Interior, silver interior. That's a stock original style interior for the 66. Again, unique. Back seat, unique armrests on the 66. Just a super cool Bronco. Another expensive NOS part that they were able to locate is this floor mat. They said they spent over $1,000 for this NOS floor mat. They do make reproductions, but this is a original NOS part. Floor pans, top and bottom, look fantastic. It's a rust-free truck. Original style dash pad. These are, again, unique to 66s. It did add a period correct tack there on the steering column. Looks cool. Stuart Warner. All your correct knobs. Let you hear it fire up. She should fire right up. Turn of a key. I just took it out for a real nice drive. And I tell you, cruise is great. Runs nice and cool. You can appreciate the originality in a stock Bronco. This is one you don't want to miss. The undercarriage is phenomenal. Floor pans were red oxide primered. Let you hear it running. Just got the original style stock single exhaust. There you go. Again, if you're looking for an original, uncut 66 Bronco and appreciate the originality factors, this is an unbelievable restoration, ready to drive and enjoy, ready to show. Great investment at these early Broncos, continue to climb in value. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much. Good luck.